Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to mute a space on Gmail using your PC. This new feature is perfect for managing notifications without leaving the conversation. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots in the top right corner, right next to your profile photo. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Spaces to view all the spaces you belong to. Once you find the space you want to mute, click on it to enter. After you're in the space, look at the top of the screen for the space name. Click on the space name, and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you'll find the option labeled Mute. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click Mute, you'll no longer receive notifications from that space, allowing you to focus on what matters most without distractions. And that's it. You've successfully muted a space on Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.